In this video, we'll walk through the process of manually installing TeamOrgChart in Microsoft SharePoint and how to embed your charts into your sites so you can get easy access to your org charts across your SharePoint tenant. TeamOrgChart can be installed manually as long as you have permissions to access the app catalog within the SharePoint Admin Center. First, download the TeamOrgChart web part package. You'll find this in the Integration Center within TeamOrgChart. Navigate to the SharePoint Online section under Application Integration and Embedding. Click Install App and then choose Download TeamOrgChart for SharePoint package. Once the package has been downloaded, upload it into your Apps for SharePoint list. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file or by using the Upload option. After uploading the package, it needs to be approved so it can work as designed. Select Go to API Access page and approve the pending requests. Next, accept the permissions required by TeamOrgChart. The application only requests the minimum permissions necessary to display your org charts. If you'd like to learn more about security and privacy, you can visit the Trust Center on teamimprover.com. You may also grant additional permissions. This can be done later if needed. With the app installed, there are two ways to add your TeamOrgChart org charts to SharePoint: as a full page or as a web part. To add a chart as a full page, start on your SharePoint site's homepage. Click New, then select Page, navigate to Full Page Apps, and choose TeamOrgChart. When prompted, click Use this template. Keep in mind that any configuration you set at this stage will not carry over to the final displayed chart. From the Settings panel, you can now configure your chart. Give your chart a name, select one of your existing TeamOrgChart org charts, and choose the starting person for the chart. Save your changes, and your org chart is ready. To add the chart as a web part, go to the page where you want it displayed and click Edit. Add a new section or select an existing one, then insert the TeamOrgChart web part from your available apps. Configure your chart settings just as before. Your selected org chart will now appear on the page, ready for interaction.